start today, we'd just like to thank the publishers and authors who made this stories possible for you today in the story time. We encourage you to support them just as much as they're supporting us. Thanks.
Welcome to another story time with Old Municipal Library. I'm here to read The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Words and pictures by Willems. You can see, I really do on the cover. Alright, let's start. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday? A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it? Or just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. Woof. What's that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof. Ah! It's huge! The teeth! The hair! That wet nose! The slobber! The claws! I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. The end.